Alright, this is such a hot bite here. I'm just in very, very shallow, right in front of Mount Eliza. These absolutely sensational burley pellets. The snapper just love. By the way, out here it's pretty rough, it's pretty good. Now I'm just going to show you, I'm going to drop a snatcher to the bottom. Just one cube on a paternoster rig, a circle hook. I've just got to get past these mutton birds though. So let's drop this rod straight to the bottom. Hopefully I can beat the birds. I didn't. I've got to redo that. Okay, we'll try it on this side where the birds aren't. Alright, that one's going to the bottom. Now let's see how long it takes for this rod to buckle. These circles basically do the job by themselves. Right, we're on already. Can you see that? It doesn't feel like a big fish. But it actually feels like a beautiful pan-sized fish. Maybe close to a kilo. But just to show you how many fish are here, I've had that many bites already. It's crazy. Look at that. That's probably a nice 40cm snapper, and they're just layered. They're loaded on top of each other here. You can see how that circle hook just pulls straight into the corner of his mouth every time. You don't even have to do anything. You can put it in the rod holder and let it go. Now I can see inside his mouth the yellow pellets that he's been eating. It's probably hard on the camera because it's so windy and because it's a little bit dark still. But look at that. That's the one that's coming home to hop in my frying pan. I'll just put him in here. Alright, it's a nice little light rod here, circle hook on as well, so he basically just hooked himself. This is a better fish. I don't think he's more than 2 kilos, but I reckon on this light gear, I think it's awesome. It's got the 8-pound line. Little Sienna reel, and just a nice little, just a whiting rod really. This is the joy of snapper season here in Port Phillip Bay. Oh, look at that. Now, rain, towering wind, but I'm having a ball. I'd rather be doing this than anything else, I reckon. Oh yeah. Now you can't see this fish out here. It's only probably 1.5 kilos, 1.8 kilos. But lovely fight on this light gear. And another one that's just going to be absolutely beautiful to eat. Look at that. What a beautiful fish, a nice 50cm snapper. And once again, look how that circle is just pulled right into the corner of his mouth. Absolutely so easy. It just makes fishing for snapper just amazingly easy, especially because they're a difficult fish to hook if you're hanging onto your rod. Alright. Let's just pop another rod, pop another bait in the water just to see how good this bite really is. Pretty much just drop straight in and get a bite instantly. We've just got to find a hole in between these birds. If we can find a spot where the birds aren't, then we should be right. Okay, the birds didn't follow that, so hopefully we should be right. Just let it fall to the bottom, close the bail, the rod holder there. It's on already. at that. Oh, oh. Okay, we'll try another bait. This time we'll put a head bait straight through the eye, just like that. That way the circle hook can work perfectly. No birds on this side of the boat. We'll drop it on that side. Now it's only 6 metres deep here, so 6 metres, it's on the bottom already. We'll put it in the water. Put it in this side, yeah. Watch that rod. Oh, look at that! Oh my goodness, did you see that crab? He smashed it! How exciting was that? Whoa! That is awesome! Oh, mate! This fish has got... Oh, it dropped.